pure paradise. The beaches in this video are stunningly beautiful and very unique. The Bomb Blast Beach, Mexico. Most beaches have been formed over thousands of years from the action of the waves lashing against the coast. But there's one in Mexico that was created much more recently. And rather being a product of nature, this one has its roots in human activity. Located in Puerto Vallarta on the Marieta Islands, which are just a few miles off the coast of Mexico, Playa del Amor, which means the Love Beach, has become increasingly popular over the last few years thanks to its stunning vistas and perfect Instagram moments. The hidden beach lies within a strange-shaped opening in the ground, and if this doesn't look to you like a natural feature, then you'd be right. The islands used to be a testing ground for the Mexican military, and this is a crater formed by the detonation of a bomb. The only way to access it is by a short swim through a tunnel, and while you're there, you'll witness countless different species of marine wildlife, like humpback whales, dolphins, and manta rays. With such escalating interest from visitors wanting their own chance to relax on the secluded island, authorities have stepped in to ensure the beach is preserved, as the island chain has also been designated as a protective nature reserve. You must have a permit to even travel to the island, and the number that are granted each year are strictly limited. If you're lucky enough to get one, though, this is guaranteed to be an experience that you'll never forget.
Yes, alis na kami. Pupunta kami sa malayo. Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Punta tayo sa malayo. Punta tayo sa beach. Ayan. Ayan.
My name is Oscar. Señores, en la parte de arriba donde dice tour ponemos Marietas y donde dice guía va el nombre de un servidor, me llamo Oscar. Estamos a punto de llegar a la marina de Puerto Vallarta.
Yes. Saan tayo pupunta, baby?
And I'm trying to be nice with you guys. It is almost, come on, 9 o'clock in the morning. It is time to wake up.
No coffee yet.
On behalf of our company, Vallarta Ventures, the captain, and all the crew members on board number 5, welcome everybody on board to this incredible adventure of Marietas Islands.
Marieta.
Señores, antes de comenzar esta increíble aventura, tenemos un programa de reciclaje a bordo y usted va a encontrar 3 contenedores diferentes: plástico, orgánico e inorgánico. Ayúdenos haciendo reciclaje para cuidar el medio ambiente. ¿Qué tienen que hacer, si los fotógrafos? Es muy fácil, solamente tienen que posar, sonreír y lucir bonito. My friends, the photographers, they're going to be with you all day, in every single activity, taking pictures of high quality. For more information or to make a reservation, Mr. David is going to be all around the world. Señores,
sa lahat ng mga turista na Yan na baby ha.
Señores, las Marietas se convirtieron en parque nacional a partir del año 2005. Este proceso empezó en el año 1995.
Maliit lang na.
Desde el año 2005, nadie puede pisar las islas, ya que es el lugar de anidamiento de 92 especies diferentes de aves. La más emblemática, el pájaro bobo de patas azules. Por la misma razón, desde que este tour ecoturístico, todas nuestras actividades son desplegadas en un lugar que podemos pisar si las condiciones oceánicas lo permiten, es la Playa Escondida. Ladies and gentlemen, Marietas Island became National Park in 2005 and all this process started in 1995. Since 2005, no one is allowed to step on the islands because it's a nesting area for 92 different species of birds. The most emblematic bird from this place is the blue-footed bluebird. That's why this eco-tour, all the activities are going to spread from the boat, and that's why we will never step the islands. The only place, I believe we got good ocean conditions at the entrance of the cave is primer año, los primeros 10 meses, la madre le va a dar la leche a la cría y los últimos 2 meses le va a enseñar cómo comer y cómo sobrevivir. The gestation period of the humpback whale is between 11 and 12 months. They have one baby every 2 years. The first 2 months of the life of the baby, the mom is going to provide the milk to the baby, and the last 2 months of the first year, the mom is going to teach the baby how to eat and how to survive, because the babies just stay with the mom 1 year.
Nawala na.
Beautiful.
Hindi na lumipad, baby. Wala na. Yan ang whale watching.
Beautiful.
Yan. Tingin ka sa malayo, baby, pag ano. Nilo ka.
Minutes, both they can stay under the water up to 35 minutes.
Tingin ka sa taas pag ano. Nilo ka. Up ka. Tingin ka sa malayo. Ayan o, balyena. Kahit dito sa loob ng boat namin maraming balyena. Ayan. Come on, one more. Fly. Yes. Ayan. Yo. Ayaw mo munod ng balyena? Kahit dito nga sa loob, ang daming balyena. Loob ng boat. Yun, naglaki. Wow. Wow.
Criatura. Una temperatura. Sabe, desgracia.
Yan, nanonood ng mga balyena eh. Mga balyena naman din sila. Yan.